Electric versus gasoline cars. Comparative analysis. Welcome back to Udemaic.com, where today we're diving deep into the age-old debate, electric versus gasoline cars. In this video, we'll break down the pros and cons of each to help you make an informed decision. Let's start with the heart of the matter. Cost. While electric cars typically have a higher upfront cost, they often come with tax incentives and lower long-term operating costs due to cheaper electricity compared to gasoline. Plus, with advancements in battery technology, prices are steadily decreasing. But what about range anxiety? It's a common concern among potential electric car buyers. While it's true that gasoline cars have a longer range and can be refueled quickly, electric cars are catching up fast. Many models now offer over 400 miles of range on a single charge, and with the growing infrastructure of charging stations, range anxiety is becoming less of an issue. Now, let's talk about performance. Electric cars are known for their instant torque, providing quick acceleration and a smooth driving experience. On the other hand, gasoline cars may offer a more visceral driving experience for enthusiasts, with the sound of the engine and manual gear shifts. Environmental impact is another crucial factor. Electric cars produce zero tailpipe emissions, making them cleaner and better for the environment. Gasoline cars, on the other hand, emit greenhouse gases and contribute to air pollution. But what about the manufacturing process? Producing electric cars indeed requires resources like lithium and cobalt for batteries, which can have environmental impacts. However, studies have shown that over their lifetime, electric cars still have a lower carbon footprint compared to gasoline cars, especially as renewable energy sources become more prevalent. In conclusion, the choice between electric and gasoline cars ultimately depends on your priorities and needs. While gasoline cars offer familiarity and a well-established infrastructure, electric cars provide environmental benefits, lower operating costs, and an increasingly competitive range and performance. Thanks for joining us today as we explored the differences between electric and gasoline cars. Which side of the debate do you fall on? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. Until next time, drive safe.